In this video, I'm going to show you how to get and install Google Chrome using command prompt, also known as CMD, in just a few simple steps. This is a really easy method if you want to install Chrome quickly on a Windows PC without manually searching the web and downloading the setup file yourself. We'll open command prompt as an administrator, run the install command, wait for Windows to handle the download and setup automatically, and then launch Google Chrome at the end. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and useful tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you need to open command prompt with administrator access. To do that, click the Start menu, then type CMD into the search bar. When you see command prompt appear in the results, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. This step is important because installing software through CMD often requires admin access, and without it, the command may not work properly. Once the command prompt window opens, you're ready for the next step. Now, it's time to download Google Chrome using CMD. In the command prompt window, copy and paste this command exactly as shown. Winget install google.chrome. After you paste it in, press enter on your keyboard. This command uses Windows Package Manager, which is built into many modern versions of Windows, and it allows your system to find, download, and install Google Chrome automatically. You do not need to go to a website or manually run and install a file. Just let the command do the work. After you press enter, Windows will begin downloading Google Chrome. Depending on your internet speed and computer performance, this may take a few minutes. During this time, you'll see the installation process running in the command prompt window. Let it finish completely and avoid closing the window too early. Windows will handle both the download and the installation for you, so all you need to do is wait until the process completes successfully. Once the installation is done, the final step is to open Google Chrome. Click the Start menu again, type Google Chrome into the search bar, and then open the app from the results. If everything worked correctly, Chrome should launch normally and be ready to use right away. At this point, you've successfully installed Google Chrome using CMD on Windows. So to quickly recap, you opened command prompt as administrator, ran the Winget install google.chrome command, waited for Windows to install Chrome automatically, and then opened the browser from the Start menu. It's a fast and convenient method, especially if you like using built-in Windows tools or want a cleaner way to install apps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.